Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how AI character recap 2023 looks. So let's get started. So to look that, you have to follow this easy step. So just open your Characterai from here, as you can see. So here you have to wait. So as you can see, if you have use this for past 1 year, then it will show here your recap. Okay, so if you have not use this app for 1 year, it will not show your recap. Basically I have also not used, so it is not showing my recap. If you have used, it will show your recap as well. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.